Alrighty, hello friends, welcome to my backyard, and oh, that didn't quite work how I thought it was going to. Oh gosh, as you can see, there's a long package behind me, and we got a new toy for Turkey because evidently I like to play a game called How Much Crap Can I Put on My Car Before It's Too Much Crap. But anyway, I got a little car awning for our turkey because I've always wanted one, and I feel a rude bug. I feel like it's gonna be super practical for what I kind of want to do with all my craziness that I have going on with my car. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna take you guys along for the ride with me as I install and unbox and do the stuff and things with this. I think I'm making the birds upset, so I'm sorry if they're being crazy in the background. So yeah, without further ado, here we go with the unboxing. Alrighty, I don't even know where to start. Hopefully. Oh, this is good. Hopefully you guys can hear me too. I got a mic because the wind and all the things that kind of come along with nature. And I think it's connected right. It was flashing how it should. So hopefully it's not making my voice sound weird or anything of those sorts. Okay. I'm gonna grab some of this stuff so it doesn't fly away. Oh, it's just a zipper. Looks pretty straightforward. Comes with a little bag of tools and stuff. I'm gonna put this in my car before I forget. Okay. Oh gosh, my knees are not happy today. Did a little bit of a workout this afternoon after work, and definitely feeling it. Okay, so I'm gonna stand up because why not? Hello there. Okay, so bag of tricks. Let's see what we got. We got some paracord type stuff. We got stakes, mounting brackets, which are obviously going to be necessary to set this bad boy up with. Other things to go with mounting. So, oh my gosh. Okay. So it comes with some cord, some little stake things, and the mounting brackets. Have not found the instructions yet. So we could just be winging it. It looks pretty straightforward. And I tend to have a habit of making things that are straightforward and easy hard. Ask anyone I know or who has worked with me. They could probably agree with you, or with me. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. It's been a long week, y'all. It's also been a weird week because of Memorial Day. Okay, so this is the awning. It is Vevor. Tough tools, half for half the price. Technical sun or support, and I can't read upside down. Warranty certified website. Yay, advertisement. this is the back. And I'm going to open this and see if there are any instructions in it. If not, we will be going to YouTube. YouTube has all the answers. Oh no. Oh, look at there. At the instructions inside. Okay. So it's saying everything that's in it. Crossbars, drilling might be needed. Oh lord. No holes in your crossbar. It's necessary to drill holes before installing brackets. Note, partial DIY might need to be, oh my gosh, the grammar in English. It sounds like I wrote this. Due to different fittings of rooftop rack models, not all provided parts are necessary to be used for insulation. Some of them are backups for different models. Well, I don't really know what kind of freaking model I have. Well, I think I might have to do some jerry rigging here. Because I don't know, none of my stuff looks like how they have it. Oh my goodness. Now there's a squirrel that's mad on the roof. Good grief. Today's been weird. Okay. I think I'm gonna shut off the camera and play around with this and see what I can figure out. Part of me kind of wonders if I could hook it onto the tent. I don't know. I'm gonna play and I will pick you guys back up once I figure out what the heck I'm gonna do, because this isn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. Story of my life. Okie dokie. I feel like I have a plan. I don't know if said plan is going to work. Said plan may also require going to the hardware store or Menards. I don't know where to put the freaking camera now. Let's see. Can I hook you? I guess that works. Cool. So, I guess I should take this off and show you. So basically, the thing came with this bracket and then this bracket. So the idea is to take this crossbar here, push this up like so, bolt it in with this on top as a leverage, tighten the crap out of it so hopefully it doesn't fly anywhere. And then see if that works. If it works, yay. If not, plan 2 would be still similar concept, putting it up here. And then I don't know what the bolt is technically called, but there's like a U-bolt type thing. So I was thinking getting one of those, fastening it up here like so again, even maybe here, just so there's a little bit more whatever, and this could stop it if it starts to slide or whatever. So trying either of those options temporarily until I can think of something better. So that's what I have. I don't know if it's gonna work. Right now it's just an idea. I guess I've been graced with a brain cell, as we would say at work, with problem solving. Gosh, I really hope the wind doesn't knock over my camera. You guys are currently on my mirror, on the little clippy stand I have for my camera. So, I think, oh no, what did oh, there I found them, it's okay. I think what I'm gonna try is, there's different sizes and the things are in there. That's a thing for another thing. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these longer ones, grab a nut, and at least see if I can make this work. Okie dokie, here we go. Where is the... Found it. Oh, that's gonna be a little tight, but I think it might work. Goodness. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna get another. You guys are watching me struggle in real time. Hopefully things just don't fall. Oh man, come on, you're so close, dude. You are so close. I believe in you. A little pep talk for the hardware here. Okay. Try not to step on the thing. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully that doesn't fall again. So the roof rack gets thicker as it goes down. So it's kind of presenting a little bit of an issue. But I'm gonna make it work. And my neighbor's home. They probably all think I'm crazy with all the stuff I'm doing and all the stuff I have on my car. And yeah, my roommate, I asked her, I was like, what do you think of my car? Like, if you could describe it in one word, what would the word be? And she told me that the car looked extra. And I told her that it was just an outward expression of my ADHD. And she laughed, and I laughed, and slightly cried. Because, you know, life is hard sometimes. And I feel like I'm rambling again, so sorry that you guys are having to listen to me. It's literally so stinking close. Ugh. So close, but yet so far away. I was thinking that maybe I could hook it onto the tent, but I forgot about these things. So that's not happening. If only this little guy was like an inch longer. It'd be like so perfect. Okay, hang on. Might be going to the hardware store after all, or we might be getting power tools. Whatever comes first. What that will be, I don't know. But both sound fun. Okay. Seriously though, if things were like an inch longer, or taller, or shorter, it'd make life so much easier. Okay, I'm gonna try it over here. And see if this will work. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Instead of adventures with Jamie, it's struggles with Jamie tonight. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Trying my hardest not to say bad words right now. Oh my gosh. Or scratch my car. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, we're getting somewhere. Maybe. Okay. Turkey or trooper dealing with my crap. Okay. Oh, that might, maybe not. I don't know. Here's the thing. And the birds are mad again. Oh, wait, we might be mad too. Some crazy was doing crazy stuff right next to my home. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. I'm going to just tighten this if I can fit my hand in it. And of course it's gonna be stubborn as heck. At least it's not gonna fall. Okay. Good grief. So close. So close. It's so annoying. So annoying. If literally this thing was just like, I wonder if the hardware sells, blah, if the hardware, now I can't even freaking talk, good grief, frazzled. Take a breath. I wonder if the hardware store sells little plates like this. It's like, it's literally, I don't know if you guys can see that, again, it's literally just like that far from being on there. And if I could get it on there, we could just go boom and boom, and then we'd have a freaking thing. Oh. I'm starting to think maybe I should have purchased this first before I got the tent. But it just wasn't in the cards that way. That's what I could do. I'm feeling ambitious, but I don't really want to drill. I could drill the hole like a little bit bigger. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Well. I feel like this is the only thing that I can think about that is going to work. I mean, surely those other parts... Oh, now this thing is freaking stuck. Surely those other holes are not any wider than what I currently have. If this works, I'm going to be slightly upset, but also very thankful. I don't think it's going to work. I also may like how that sticks out a little bit more. It also makes me wonder how much I'm going to freaking whack my head on this dang thing is going to be. Come on. You're so close. You can do it. Good grief, it's so close. Oh my god. Janky as hell, but I got it on there. Oh, interesting. Well, that's where there's determination. Ooh. Also, my wrist really hurts from the gym. Not be a bad placement. And it sticks out a little bit, but I don't think it'll be problematic. Keyword think. Okay. I think I'm gonna see if I can do what I just did with this one before I tighten it. I should also reread how to put this on, because I think the bolts, like these littler ones, need to somehow, I think this comes off and or something. I promise I'm better with stuff than I am showing right now. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to hopefully not spend 15 freaking minutes, good grief, on this other part and see if I can get it to be like this. It honestly feels like it's not going anywhere though, so that's nice. A little comforting. Make sure I can get a nut on it first. Oh my gosh, birdies, it's okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go before or do this other thing before I totally lose my focus and or panic, because I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. You guys, they both came on, or went on. So I got a ratchet strap, or gosh, a ratchet wrench. I think I need to go to bed because this is ridiculous and I evidently forgot how to talk. And let's see, going the wrong way, I think. It's been a while since I've used one of these. Oh no, it's not working. I don't think it likes that. That nut. Let's try this. Definitely makes me wish that I had a impact gun. I used to help my dad change tires on the pivots growing up. So it's just not gonna. Oh no. I might have to go get my wrenches. My regular wrenches, not my ratchet wrenches. My ratchet. Because I don't know what's going on with this. It looked like it was gonna work, but then it doesn't work. Or maybe I'm just dumb. That could totally be user error. Okay, there we go. It was user error. Imagine that. Thought this would be a little bit more satisfying, but it's not. So sorry. You guys can just watch me do weird things, which is probably why you're here. So you're welcome. I'm gonna get these too tight in case I decide I want to, this isn't gonna work type thing. My big concern is going to be when I get the thing on, how I'm going to tighten those, because the tent is in the way. And I didn't really think about that until right this second because I got so excited. But I guess it's just another thing to figure out when we get there, right? Life's a journey. And you gotta keep it interesting. This is part of it. Okay. Kind of surprised that my cat isn't in the window supervising. I wonder if these are the same. Yeah, they're gonna be the same. So I'm gonna hold on to this. I'm gonna put the other one back before I lose it. And we're gonna look at this again. And I'm going to be responsible and look at this. Although they weren't super helpful in the first place. So I guess I have a feeling that that comes off. Doesn't really say. Excuse me. Yeah, this isn't helpful at all. So we're winging it. Which kind of isn't surprising. I feel like, watch me break it. Ugh. Sorry guys, don't mean to be coughing. Okay, so those don't appear to just slide in, unfortunately, but also fortunately. Okay. This has to come off. I'd be very surprised if it did not. So I don't know how else you'd put it in. Anything can be a hammer that you decide to make a hammer. Remember that. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna do something sketchy. Mom, if you're watching, close your eyes. Just don't want to accidentally cut the thingamajig. Yay. Looks like it was supposed to come off. Winning. Putting this away before I stab myself by accident. Wee. That's kind of satisfying. I feel like I could play with that. Okay. You're getting somewhere. Definitely did not. Where are you going? I think this was going to take as long as it's taking. I'm a little hungry. Before I play with this thing, I may have to go grab some din-din. Okay. Oh, nuts. Okay. I'm gonna shut off the camera for a minute, figure this out, what I'm gonna do. Also figure out where I'm gonna put the camera, where it doesn't get hit, because I have a feeling I might need my doors to help me support this. Yeah. We'll get it. We are capable, I hope. Okay. Game plan is I'm going to lean against here, move the bolts approximately to where they'll be in real life. And hopefully, okay, it's not upside down. Okay, we're just gonna hope this works. Oh gosh, don't land on my head. I think I got one in. Oh. Two. Getting somewhere. Oh gosh. Why is this terrifying? Maybe I should have tried to get the top one in first. Okay. Oh god. Freaking A. Okay. I am going to put a nut in the top one. Okay, if you guys get one of these, maybe have a friend help you, because this is a little hard. Okay, that should stay. Now where did the things go? Top one. Top. Oh my gosh, my finger. Okay, ouch. Owie. Okay. Haha. I think I got them both in on this side. How about that? Oh man, I'm sorry, turkey. Dang it. I scratched turkey when the thing fell. This poor girl. Okay, doesn't look too bad, if I'm being honest. It actually looks pretty legit, like where it is. Like size-wise, height-wise, it's not gonna get in the way, it doesn't look like. I was a little worried it was gonna get in the way of the tent. What did I do with my thing? Hold it. and a bleeding. Well, put everything except for my tears into this project so far. I guess I shouldn't speak too soon. I'm kind of sad that turkey got kind of caught in the crossfire. Sorry, girl. Okay. I'm gonna stop the camera because I'm sure you guys just don't want to sit here and watch me wrench. Okay, bye. All right, it's on there. I took a few minutes to just soak it in and make sure that I like it. Here it is. Turkey looking fancy. Maybe even a little more extra than ordinary, I guess. What's left now is the unveiling. Oh gosh, sorry. Can't do this with one hand. Okay, zipper. Zippers can be hard. Ooh. Okay, so here's the inside of it. It's just basically like a canvas thing. And yeah, I don't know where to put you guys. I guess back on the mirror. Hopefully nothing falls on you, or me, or Turkey. Good news, I think Turkey is gonna buff out. She's fine. She's a trooper. Okay. There was instructions on this part and the thing, but before I got it, I did look at some reviews. Oh my gosh, okay. I don't know what to do with the camera. Hi. Okay, you guys can go on the door handle. So I think what dude did was he rolled it out as I'm doing. And what did he do? We're gonna put this down for a minute. Because we're like in a tent now. Oh my gosh. Oh, all I can do is laugh because life just likes to be a little chaotic. Some days, oh gosh, there's pointy things on the end of these. Anyway, or these that act as supports for the thing. And they just Velcro. Starting to wish that I didn't go to the gym before starting this project, man. Freaking tired. And I'm sore. Okay. And this just goes in. Like this, everything's so freaking sharp. Okay, I should do the other side. I'm not gonna Velcro it right away. I'm just going to, I don't know. Oh no, it came out. Oh my goodness gracious. I guess maybe that's as far as it goes. Okay, I don't even know if you guys can see anymore, but basically what I just did was feed those supports through, and then there's these legs at the end that pop down that stand this bad boy up. yeah, something like this anyway. Regardless, it's really cool. I feel like I probably should have done this first. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now it's looking more like it's supposed to. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys. Well, first I'm gonna stop the car. I'm gonna restart it. And here it is. So, what I was trying to tell you guys in the midst of all that chaos, and I might cut that out, is there's these support beam things that hook in underneath, like right there, and they extend, and then you Velcro them. And then at this end, there is more of those that you can adjust. Right now I have them on the low, but you can make it higher, lower, excuse me, whatever. So yeah, basically have a dry spot, a place out of the sun. I have an ultimate goal with this setup. I'm not going to share that yet, because I want it to be a surprise, but it's going to be a work in progress, and I couldn't be more excited to share it with you guys. So anyway, I think I'm going to put the camera down, call a few friends and show them, show one of my brothers, get my roommate out here to check it out, and go eat because I'm hungry. So, thank you guys for watching my chaos, or a struggle session, I guess you could say. But yeah, I will catch you on whatever the heck I get up to next, which could be anything at this point. So, yeah, thank you for watching, and I will talk with you later.